Ever wondered why do we yawn when we wake up? You already know why do we yawn from my other videos, but if you haven't watched them yet, you will see them in related videos. So yes, it is an excellent question to ask, why do we yawn when we wake up? Well, even though yawning isn't fully understood, and researchers continue to explore its various reasons, I will try my best to answer this question. Before that, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Yawning involves a deep inhalation, which helps stretch the jaw muscles and increase blood flow. This influx of oxygen can help wake up our brain and body after sleep. As we transition from sleep to wakefulness, our body systems gradually become more active. Yawning might be part of this process, signaling the shift from rest to alertness. So now, if you actually yawn while watching this video, please comment and tell me as I did too.